You came out to vote in the early voting here in Prince George's County. How long were you online?
I was in line about 5 hours before I voted.
Ballot.
I want to make sure that my vote counts. And I think this is a very important election for more than one reason. I want to make sure that President Obama gets the chance to continue what he started.
You came out at what time in the morning to make sure your vote would be cast?
8:36 a.m.
And when did you finally get to vote?
at 12:22 p.m.
Why did you wait? Why were you willing to wait so long to cast your ballot?
I believe this election is a very important election for us. As a middle class people, I thought it's my civic duty to come out and do that. So I didn't care if it took 5 to 6 hours. I was going to do it today.
And again, this is your day off.
My day off from work, where I could be at home resting. I decided that it was important enough for me to come out and cast my vote.
Do you mind if I ask, was there one issue that you said, I have to get out there because I got to vote on this one?
Yes, there was.
Do you care to say?
The presidential election was a biggie
Obama.
for me.
And I'm going to zoom in on. Let me make sure I can get this because the light is. And what does the sticker say?
I voted.